Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I am back with a new EVS topic, our food. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session for these little cutie pies. Why do we need food? We need food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. फूड ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अस टू फाइट डिसीजेस सो हमें क्यों चाहिए फूड ताकि हम स्ट्रॉन्ग रह पाएं और हेल्दी रह पाएं और फूड खाने से हमें एनर्जी भी मिलती है और उसी एनर्जी की वजह से हम अच्छे से पढ़ पाते हैं, लिख पाते हैं, खेल पाते हैं और हर अपना डेली रूटीन का काम कर पाते हैं. ऑल्सो फूड हेल्प्स अस टू फाइट डिसीजेस. अगर हम हेल्दी एंड गुड फूड खाएंगे तो हम हमेशा डिसीज फ्री रहेंगे. Now we are moving on to sources of food. So कहाँ से कैसे हमें food मिलता है या हमें इन food से क्या चीजें मिलती हैं. Firstly, sources of food, that means your healthy diet should include fruits. Fruits like everything, papaya, banana, watermelon or oranges, apple, kiwi, grapes. There are so many delicious fruits which you need to include in your daily meals. Next thing is vegetables. So there are so many vegetables. So you should be incorporating all the vegetables in your daily food, especially green vegetables like spinach. Alright, this gives you lot of iron. So there are so many vegetables you can see in this chart like carrots, they are very healthy, or capsicums or spinach, broccoli or onions, tomatoes, potato. Everything is very healthy for our body. So we should include all these kinds of vegetables in our daily meal. The next source is dal, chapati and rice. So there are various types of dal, cereals and pulses you can make. Alright, children know them by the colors but mothers know them by the name. So you should always include dal in your meal and chapati and rice are must with them. After that, milk and milk products, its products. So what are those? The things which are made up of milk should be included in your diet, like you can eat paneer or curd or cheese or anything related to milk. And milk, glass of milk is compulsory for little babies. Milk products like butter, curd, paneer, cheese, ghee, etc. So there are so many milk products which you need to incorporate in your diet. Next one is meat and poultry products. So chicken, meat, egg, fish, all these poultry or meat products should be included in your diet. It gives you a lot of protein which makes your body healthy. Poultry products like egg and chicken, you already know about them. Now nuts and seeds, so they are very important like almond or chia seeds or pumpkin seeds or pistachio or peanuts or walnuts. All these nuts or seeds are very important for your diet because they keep you healthy, fit and fine. Now we add oil and spices for cooking, but oil and spices should be added in a less quantity so that they make your food delicious. but not unhealthy. All right, so we should use less amount of oil because it keeps the taste of the food good, but excessive of oil will be harmful for our body. And similarly with the spices. Alright, as you can see, there are so many spices, and each and every spice is healthy if we use little bit in our food. Remember, always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. So this is a must thing to do. When you bring fruits and vegetables from market, you should wash them. And also when you are eating or when you are going to cook them, before that you should always wash fruits and vegetables. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. So it is must that you should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. And also drink a glass of milk daily. It is compulsory. And for small children, you can have 2 glasses of milk, one in the morning and one in the evening. That is good for small children. But when you become adult, at least 1 glass is compulsory for everyone. Now, balanced diet. So, what is a balanced diet? A diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing adequate amount of the nutrients necessary for good health. सो बैलेंस डाइट क्या है? ऐसी डाइट जिसके अंदर सब चीज़ें इक्वल अमाउंट में हो, कि हमें कितना फ्रूट्स खाना है, कितना वेजिटेबल्स खाना है, कितना हमें पल्सेस चाहिए, कितने हमें मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए। तो एक उसका गुड रेशो जो आपकी बॉडी में जाना चाहिए, वो एक बैलेंस डाइट होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, नट्स एक्सेट्रा। Balanced diet pyramid. So now we are going to study that how much quantity of food we should take in, either they are vegetables or fruits, how much quantity we require of vegetables or oils or spices or vegetables in our body, so that we can make a balanced diet. Let's see. So this is the balanced diet pyramid. As you can see this pyramid, fats and oils and sugar, they are at least, so you should be eating them least, सबसे कम होना चाहिए. Then milk and their alternatives, that means milk products, those should be almost equivalent to meat and fish in your diet. So they are 50-50. You can consume them more than oils and sugar, but that should be lesser in quantity to the fruits and vegetables. Now you can see here, vegetables you should be consuming more and little less of fruits than vegetables. And what you should be consuming more, you should be consuming grains more, like cereals or wheat or ragi. All these things you will be consuming more and least. So you can see this, that most to least. So you should be consuming more of grains, then little less of vegetables and little less of fruits. Then less than fruit, you should be consuming meat and poultry products, and less than meat and poultry products, you should be consuming milk and its products. And after that, the lesser quantity of oil, salt and sugar in your food. Next thing, let's see. There in this diagram I have given you the percentage of things you should be consuming. So you can see the maximum you should be consuming fruits and vegetables, that is 40%. So you should be consuming fruits and vegetables. And after that you can see this 25%. What is this? These are grains. And this 25% is meat and poultry products. So you will be consuming that 25%. And then the fatty things should be 10%. Oil, sugar, salt and other fatty things should be only 10% in your meal. Now, what are the nutrients we get from our food? So, nutrients in our food. This is our topic. Let's see. The types of nutrients are macronutrients and micronutrients. दो type के nutrients होते हैं. Alright. So, and macronutrients and micronutrients both should be included in your food, and also water and roughage are the main parts of them. So you should be consuming a lot of water and roughage also. Let's see. Macronutrients: fats, proteins and carbohydrate, and also fibers. These four types of things are macronutrients because they are majorly included in our diet. So they are macronutrients. Macro means ज़्यादा level में जो add हो आपके food में, तो macronutrients. And now what are micronutrients? Those are minerals and vitamins. So these are lesser amount of in your food. So they are less included in your food. Now let's see. From which food we get protein? We get protein from meat, dairy, legumes, nuts, seafood and egg. किससे हमें प्रोटीन मिलता है? इन सब चीजों से. Now let's see from where do we get carbohydrates. We get carbohydrates from pasta, rice, cereals, breads, potato, milk, fruit and sugar. So we should be consuming less of carbohydrates and more of proteins. Fats. We get fats from oils, butter, margarine, nuts, seeds, meat, seafood, avocado and olives. And in these three, proteins, carbohydrates and fats should be in lesser quantity. Minimum of fats we should be consuming. Now vitamins. We get vitamin C and A and folic acid, that is vitamin B, from fruits and vegetables. So these vitamins are very important for our body. So we should be consuming fruits and vegetables. Vitamin B and fibers from grains and cereals. So we should be consuming grains and cereals to get vitamin B. Vitamin A, D and E from full fat dairy and egg yolk. So जो full fat dairy products होते हैं and egg yolk, उससे हमें क्या मिलता है? Vitamin A, D and E. Vitamin K from milk and vegetable or soybean oil. So milk and vegetable या soybean oil से हमें क्या मिलता है? Vitamin K. Now minerals. So we get minerals like zinc, sodium, calcium, iron, etc. from milk and dairy products, red meat, seafood and vegetables. So we get minerals from them. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope I have cleared all the things regarding this topic of our food, that how much quantity or nutrients or the sources. So you can also watch again if you want, and I hope you liked it. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also do comment in the comment section if you want some kind of special videos from my side. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy.